Hello everybody, my name is Dani Jonathan. I'm a crafter from Six Nations from Ohsweken, Ontario. I've been doing crafts for probably at least since I was 9 at least, and kind of picked it up maybe about the last 5 years and really have been developing my own kind of style. I consider myself a beader, and I have been called a punk beater because I do things that are different and not usually done. And a lot of my inspiration comes from older designs, older ideas, a lot of plant-based things. I really like tattoos, so I go from designs that were traditional tattoos. I have a lot of old beadwork and raised beadwork. I often look at books and take inspiration from really a lot of old things. That's what I try to do, is bring the new and put it with the old and mash it together. These are some things I've been working on. I've been doing a lot of skulls. I take things apart. The eyes on this guy right here are earrings I took apart. I'm pretty sure they're like quartz. I work with some really tiny beads. These guys are really small. I think they're about size 13. I work with black ash and making the baskets, quills. I've done some stuff with sweetgrass, birch bark, cornhusk dolls. I've done a couple mats in my day. A lot of recycling and upcycling, so I'll go raid stuff and rip things apart. I often get a lot of things from thrift stores and secondhand stores. I've also dabbled in a little bit of cigar box guitars, so I take a lot of old stuff and make new things out of them. I think art is important to everyone, even people who don't necessarily like art. I think it's part of making a full functioning being. But also, when you look around, everything that you see, your cars, your furniture, everything has been brought to you by somebody's thoughts, and it's really a form of art, so like, you can't really escape it. Do some kind of form of art, pick up some beads. It's not very difficult, but when you start, I think everybody would enjoy it. Yawa, Ona.